order to survive at Epsom Girls Grammar School, you must be able to keep calm and carry on, even through prank week.
What are you doing out of school? Are you guys talking about things? Hey, yes. How are you? Can I borrow these? She bought these for my birthday. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Should we just leave them?
Yeah, let's
Are
pick
you
them up
serious?
soon.
Are you serious?
2, 3.